Hello guys, thank you for clicking my video. And in this video guys, I want to sharing how to fix this broken football shoes. So just keep watching guys. Alright guys, let us check it out first. What's the problem with these football shoes guys? As we can see here guys, the old stitching guys is broken here. What caused it's so easy to break the stitching guys, because they didn't make the stitch groove, so we have to resharing guys. But before that guys, we have to clean these shoes by pulling the old stitching guys. Just do it. Okay guys, the easiest way to take off this old stitching guys is by cutting this rope like this. You use cutter, we use cutter like this guys. Just cut all the outside rope like this guys. This is the easiest way. Just cut all around the stitching of the sole. Just cut, and then we search the rope, the inside rope guys. We search the inside rope and then pull with our needle shoes guys. Alright guys. Okay guys, after we pull out the old stitching, so we can continue to sewing guys. But before that guys, we have to clean it first, because before we sewing, we will put the glue guys. We gluing it first. We clean it first and then we glue. We gluing. So just glue the all around of this outsole. We have to put the glue guys in order stranger than before. We glue. And then after we glue, we have to wait until it's rather dry. Okay guys, after we wait for several minutes, and then we can unite it back between the outsole and the body of this shoe guys. And then we push and push like this. Then after that we can continue to make the stitch groove guys. So we make the stitch groove with a solder guys. It can make the stitching long last. And this is the correct technique guys to make the stitch groove for football shoes. Down guys, it's so easy and very fast. Just by shoulder we can make the stitch groove. So now we can continue to sewing process guys. Here I use a strong rope. This rope is special for football shoes guys, to stitch football shoe, to sewing football shoe. we use a special rope like this. It's very strong. Okay guys, we start from inside, from this side guys. Just step like this guys, and then pull. And then make sure the distance is not too long guys. 1 centimeter only is enough guys. Like this guys. If you are a beginner, is inside the groove guys, so it won't be easy to break guys. Okay guys, now I'm just one step more to finish guys, and how to lock the stitching guys in order it can be long last our sewing. This way guys, just keep going until finish. Just keep going until finish guys. Just sewing like this, and then one step back, reverse one step back guys, like this. Reverse one step back. I have reversed one step back, and then we can twisting guys. We twist twice, twist twice like this guys, and then pull, and then it's done guys. I just cut. That way is how to lock guys. You see the stitching, all the stitching is inside the groove guys, so this football shoe now it will be long last. Just thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you again guys.